back to my channel, Cinderella. Okay, interesting. How are you today? I hope you are good. Now I'm at my friend's house in Haiphong. So today she invited me to eat spring rolls and cook together with her. So check out what is spring roll. Let's check it out. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on my channel.
Water. Mushroom. So we have to put into the water. Like rice noodle. But this one is not made from rice. This one made from this kind of fruit. I don't know how it's named.
Mian.
Mian.
I see. Mian.
It's like noodle. It's like the thing inside spring roll. Eat this one. Very thin. You can spin it, you can roll it.
Yeah. So we will use rice paper for roll this. This one is for the inside, that right? Inside.
Rice paper.
Yep.
Yeah, rice paper. Sorry, not rice paper. Yeah, only rice. Just like
Rice paper.
yeah, let's choose something like not just choose something perfect. Yeah, put it here like this, and then we'll put some water to make it wet. Then put some mist inside it. You should put it big a little bit because how big it is make you feel happy to eat. Yeah, it's really not really big, not too much big because it can grow. This rice paper is not really good at all. Like it.
for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment below. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe here, okay? I'll see you on next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Mwah.